MX-303KSSK CNC busbar processing machine has 3 working units: punching, cutting, and bending. The 3 units can be used at same time, which shorten the processing time and improve production efficiency. The bending unit uses Siemens PLC by relative operation unit. It can do all kinds of processing to copper and aluminum busbar quickly and easily, such as shearing, cutting, punching circular hole and oblong hole, flat, horizontal bending, vertical bending, U-bending, embossing, flat pressing, twisting, cable connector processing, etc.